How to log in to Discord account. So here is how to do it. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your device. Then in the search address bar, type down discord.com and navigate to its login section. Now once you're in the login section, you will get to see email, phone number, or password option available there. Now as usual, all you have to do is enter your email and password, and that will be done and you can log into your account. But you can also see there is a QR code available right next to it. So now in order to log in with the QR code, which is the most easiest way, all you have to do is first open the device where your Discord account is logged in. So here basically I'm opening my iPhone. Here, all you have to do is navigate to the camera section and tap on the camera and scan this QR code available on your desktop screen. Then all you have to do is tap on the discord.com option available at the QR code. Then you'll be navigated to the Discord app, and you will be logged in once you tap on the login option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.